Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you that's how to create bottom sheet dialog in Android using Kotlin. First create a new project and select empty views activity. Click on next button and give the name here, project name. And language, select here Kotlin. And click finish. Now project sync has finished and go to the layout files. Select activity main.xml and insert a button here. And replace this text. So bottom dialog and insert a on click function. On click and create a function on activity main activity views. This function. So bottom sheet. Now create a layout for bottom sheet dialog. New XML layout XML file and give the name here bottom sheet and finish. And convert this linear layout horizontal to vertical. Convert orientation to vertical. Now add a card view, containers and card view. And now add a relative layout. Go to layout. Constant layout and convert it and right click here, convert view and convert it to relative layout. and now go to the code view, split, and insert some control here. I have inserted an image view and a text view and another text view and another text view and a buttons for dismiss dialog. Now design the bottom sheet dialog round corners. Set the corner radius (30 dp) and bottom margin bottom minus 30 dp. For card view, and now set a relative layout bottom margin bottom margin 30 dp and a background color now change the color, custom color, and select a color. And now copy a image from system to drawer folder. Add the drawable and image name. Don't skip this UI design part and set this match parent to wrap content. Right. Now design is ready for bottom sheet dialog, and go to the activity main.xml. Now activity main activity.kt and create a wall dialog equal bottom sheet dialog and pass the contact this. Now create a view wall view is equal layout inflator dot inflate r dot layout and dot our layout is bottom sheet XML. So select the bottom sheet, right, and set the root null. And create a buttons For dismiss dialog, set val btn close is equal view dot find view by id b button r dot id dot id btn dismiss. This button id btn dismiss. And now set the on click listener btn close dot set on click listener. Dialog dot dismiss for closing the dialog. Dialog dot set the cancelable, set the value here false. Dialog dot set content view, pass the view reference, and now dialog dot show. And now run the code and see the result. Now app is running. And click on show bottom dialog. Okay, dialog is and click on dismiss button. And bottom sheet is showing perfectly. And now click on dismiss dialog. So code is working perfectly. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.